Hi guys, welcome to Morena Brats of Welcome to Morena Brats of
Philippines or off-grid family?
Philippines. So we're still at off-grid. One for the road. We're still at one for the road. Nanginginig ka. Mabigat eh. So we're gonna extend again. Because Monday we're going to get our student permit. And then hindi ka kita atin nakasini. Hello. So they're very friendly here in One for the Road. Ba't may ano kagabi? Ambulance. Ay, wala kayo dito? Wala. Ah, morning shift kayo? Ah, okay. May ambulance gumanon. Baka may nangyari sa baba. Wala lang. Wala, makichismis tayo. Gusto niya mag-video. Sabi ko, ay, ako na. Napagod na ako.
Kaya pala kahapon. Yung
Pagod.
oo, yung kasi yung depression ko. Tsaka pala, kaya pala lalong sumakit yung katawan ko. Kasi, di ba pag malapit na tayo mag-menstruation, yung madali tayong mapasaan. Eh, nagpamassage pa ako.
Ay, oo.
Doon lalong yung katawan ko. Kaya talaga kahapon, parang magpa-pass out ako kahapon doon sa 7-Eleven. Nakahawak ako sa sa may talagang parang bagsak na bagsak yung katawan ko. Talagang
Like, kasi di ba bago tayo mag-menstruation, ano yon, like, first scenario is, tayo, energetic.
Yes.
Then, super pagod. After that, super pagod.
2,610 for one night. Including the
drinks and
drinks
food.
and the food.
Kainan natin. Natin sa kainan yung para karinderya din. Highway. Hindi mo alam.
Bye-bye na naman.
Hindi, left or right.
Well,
Let's
there's a lot of things happening to me.
Like, mabigat? Kunin ko yung power bank.
Magbibigyo kayo.
Nakapag-gym ka dati ng like straight 1 week or 1 month, something like that? Like,
Oo. I usually do that at home. But yeah. For a month. For a month. It's 2 months purpose for postpartum. That's what I did.
Hello?
ang ganda ng araw sa katawan natin.
Hello, Boritaki!
So, hindi ka tatawa ng masyado today. Oh, it's rough. You know that. That's my towel. Okay. Sabi. Shut up and dance with me. Saan na kayo sila ni?
You see this guys?
Wala na. Wala nang muscle. Payat na. Wala na. She wants to have muscle, but she's getting skinny with me, guys, because I don't eat much.
She don't eat that much, and then nahawa ako.
Nakaka-boring ba pag hindi ako kumakain?
Hindi.
Hindi naman.
It's like a treat for me. Every day.
And what time is it now? Almost 12?
12.
It's 12 already?
Yeah, past
Oh
12.
my. So it's already 12 and we haven't had any breakfast yet. Because you know, even in Carmen, I love pandesal, but mostly when I eat in the morning, I only had one. And if I'm very, very hungry, I will get 3 maximum. Pero ikaw talaga, akala ko hindi windy today. Walang wind dun, di ba?
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Look at that!
Oh my God.
Yesterday.
Oh. I think this is the reason why they are trying to fix all the barriers on the shore, because of like this. When there's a big wave, so it's not going up higher to the restaurants and hotels, I think.
Look at that. It's full of sand at the stairs.
Oh yeah, oh my God. I think they need it higher. Huh. I feel like Caesar salad, but it's very expensive there. Then mag-as tayo. Filipino breakfast po. Sunny side.
Sunny side.
Rice? No. Kasi magaganito ka. Isang, rice, then longganisa.
Garlic rice.
Plain.
Then longganisa.
Oo.
Coffee.
Coffee
Juice.
or juice? Fresh fruits. Fresh fruits.
Mango, banana, watermelon.
Mango.
So juice po.
Juice. Tea na lang sa akin. Ay, hindi. Sige, tea na lang. Tea. Tea. Huwag na
Black
lang.
tea or green tea.
Meron kayong mint
Peppermint tea.
or ginger. Or ginger tea kayo. Ginger tea na lang.
Tsaka po Wi-Fi.
Tsaka extra for Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Oo. 4 pa.
So isang breakfast na po.
Ang lugo.
Sa juice niyo po, may kasamang juice na ito.
Meron din yan.
Orange, mango, pineapple.
Orange. That's good. They don't have music right now. It's very movie because of these guys. Look. The wind and the umbrella is not good together. My bell bell, my bell bell, sa ilalim ng tulay. My bell bell, sa ilalim ng tulay. My bell bell, my bell bell, my bell bell. Taking out things, you cannot buy shit. I'll be a buyer.
Huwag mo tanggalin yung ano ko. Yan na nga lang yung ano
dito.
Huwag mo tanggalin.
She's heavier than me. She's more muscle. Musculator. I've been carrying Athena also.
Oh yeah, she carried Athena.
I did. How many kilo Athena? 48?
I'm
Because
48.
I'm 46 now. I've been carrying Athena also in the beach. May weighing scale kayo dito. Weighing scale. Ang tagal naman yan. Weighing scale. Mababa na yung tubig. Sigpa po kami.
Oh, ano? Kanina mataas yan. Oh. Data bet.
Ay, oo nga pala. We're going to different dimension. The same guy that looked back to you yesterday when you did a video. It's the same guy at the back. I will show you later.
Hit on the floor.
Dito. Wala pa sila ni, ang tagal. Pandesal. Saka muna. Opo, kambal. Yeah, now we need a sticker for this one because there's two now. You and me. We need a new sticker, guys. Oh my gosh! Maybe that's what we can do tomorrow. Yeah. That's our mission tomorrow, to get
Picture,
to edit, to get
good picture.
good picture and to edit it with the name of our YouTube channel and then make a sticker. So Lani, we are here now. Because yesterday's video that I did and she did to me, it was awesome with this phone. Amazing. I couldn't believe I have this phone. So thank you so much, Victor.
Thank you, Victor.
Found the spot.
Magalit ka pa niyan.
Uwi ka na? Uwi ka na?
Uy, ka.
Go away to my heart.
Ma'am, lagi ko no. Wala kanya ito no.
Ha?
Wala kanya ito.
Oo. Tara na, umupo ka na. Huwag ka na magtampaw.
No.
May tao kasi doon. Mga lalaki. Kaya kami lumipat.
Maganda dito. Maganda dito sa mainit.
Remove lang po. Ho! Ay. Dito din na. Ending.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Like a diamond.
Kanina mo, ma'am?
Shining shimmer. Yut, 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 yut.
Ito ganina.
Hindi to magnetic siya.
Yung isa, ma'am.
Yung isa lang. So what do you think? Pecho? Sa'yo. Hoy, mabalaukan ka dyan. Bumulwak.
May tapos ako nito.
Naramdaman mo? May tampon ka, di ba? So, paano nangyari?
Diba, nararamdaman ko.